happy Earth Day.
If you don't believe in fairy tales, if you don't believe in fairy tales, if you don't believe in fairy tales, do love, do love. If you don't believe in fairy tales, do love, do love, do love.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Bubble Fairy.
My name is Fatima, aka Fati Illumi.
We are cleaning a waterfall.
For Earth Day, actually, because it was, what, 2 days ago?
Show us, Fati.
You know, I got my broom.
Hello.
This is never gonna come undone. Cool, yeah.
Safety first. And we got some guys moving on down there. And the ultimate fairy zen. Hello, hello.
We're just gonna sort it. So like grab a bag and then we'll sort it after.
Recycle is important. Earth Day!
Earth Day!
This thing hurts. Look how mean people are. Human dicks on a rock. That's horrible. Are we gonna get that off?
Let's get it off.
Hey, lizard. He's like, this is my home. Love that. So happy. Are so cool, like this one. Yeah. We got the girl gang here. Next time, I'd love to see more fairies. Fairies out here with us, and we need a lot of feminine energy to nurture the nature.
Like cleaning the waterfall today, for sure. Yes, in the sun.
In the sun. He's like, thanks for cleaning our home for us. Oh, there's another one, look. Aww.
Never did anything I found. Things were not as they seem. If you don't believe in fairy tales,